Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need the NET SDK installed and a terminal path set. Once done, open Command Prompt. First, confirm the SDK with .NET info so you know the runtime and SDK versions. Then create a project folder, navigate into it, and run .NET New Console and My App to scaffold a simple program. This gives you program. CS and a project file. Make sure the files exist in the folder before moving on, because the next steps build and run that exact project. Now you compile and execute, change directory to the project and inspect program. CS so you understand the entry point. Run .NET build to compile. If you hit errors, read messages carefully and edit the source to fix missing namespaces, semicolons, or type issues. Once build succeeds, .NET Run will both build and execute quickly, while .NET Bin /debug /net6 0/myapp DLL runs the compiled DLL directly. Use that to test runtime-only behavior without rebuilding. To finish, publish a release build for distribution. Run .NET Publish C release rwinx64 to create deployable files, and choose self-contained only if you need no runtime dependency. Make sure Command Prompt recognizes .NET. If not, add the SDK path to path or open a new terminal. If something breaks, check build output and run .NET Restore to recover missing packages. A common fix is reading the error lines, then correcting code or package versions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.